Hi Ashley, I just wanted to show you how big your file opens. Ignore my office screen, my favorite TV shows. Okay, so that's how my window pops up and your work kind of goes underneath it. If I pull it out, not the window, but this window, it goes underneath my viewing area. I think your animation is beautiful, but it's just a little bit big. And then you see some of the artwork gets cut off there. It looks like you just need to pull up that orange. Let me watch it again. I really like the way it looks. I would like to see a little more animation though. I mean, this doesn't necessarily look like it was done in Animate. There's some version of this that you can do just in Dreamweaver or Muse. So maybe pull in some of the type, or at least make that line move across the screen. Give a little indication that this was done in a special way. At the very least, you could do some sort of reveal, like this is your signature. There's something called an animated mask in this software program that might work really well with that. Animated mask, Adobe Animate. It might come up in something called Edge, which is what they made it for a little while. It was terrible.
I'm creating my Wix site. You think you already have a site?
Okay, gotta sit through this.
You're welcome to skip. Or
I am skipping, honey. All right. Dr. Ray. Busy making masks. All right, let's get to the point. So I just want you to see it and not have to listen to him. But so see what he's doing that there. If you, I mean, you don't want yours to look like Sherlock Holmes, but you could do something that looked like the letters were coming on in an animated way. So it could look like, you know, you do like the TP of the A and then your signature and then the L. I don't know. It's just an idea, but give me a little bit something else that'll indicate that this is done in a special way and not something that just any programmer could do. Because that is who you would compete with. All right, let me know if you have any questions.